What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Raul. We out here with my boy Josue right here.
What's bracking?
Out here working on our cars today. Just doing a small little vlog. He's actually working on his 240. We also got the 86 right here outside. We're actually gonna be switching out a part on it real quick. From the title of this video, you should already know what we're gonna be installing. Switching out the side markers on it because I kind of like the clear ones. We actually got some OEM ones from Subaru. All right, guys. So it's two side markers. They came in like two different boxes. They're actually pretty big. I thought they were smaller, but you know, I kind of like the clear look on it, especially with the black on the 86. It's gonna look pretty nice. This is actually OEM part. I didn't know they actually make it from the factory. So yeah, guys, this should be a really easy install. We got it from, I think it's called FT Speed. F something speed. I'll put them down in the description. It should be a very easy install. Just a 10mm and a flathead screwdriver from what I've seen. And we're gonna go ahead and start off with the left side. All right, so we're gonna start off by taking off these little tabs right here, and this is when the flathead screwdriver is gonna come in handy. The car's all dirty. It's all filled with dirt and stuff. I think it's 3 tabs. There's another extra one right here. Let me take this one off just in case. And then you should be able to peel this back, and there's a 10mm right here. I see it right here. Loosen that up. There you go. So it's just a little bolt back there. Pretty easy. It was accessible without taking out the wheel. The wheel's still on. There should be like a little connector right here. Pop that out real quick. Should come right out. Alright, guys, so that was pretty simple. Kind of struggled because I didn't notice these little like clips right here. You have to like push, like pinch it for it to come out. There's 2 on like each side. I'll be keeping these. So now we're gonna put this one in. It should pop in pretty easily. Look, this is where the little slots are for the little clips or whatever, where you have to pinch it from the back. This part right here. Yeah. Ooh, nice. All right. Connected. Put the bolt back in. Alright, guys, so everything's all screwed in. It's just 1 bolt, like I said, and then the little 2 clips pops right in, and then the connector for the light. And then yeah, gonna put the clips back in, and then we'll start on the other side. Dude, it looks nice. Look. What you about to do, Sway?
But install some coilovers.
Some coilovers. This is nice coilovers, man. Better than mine, bro. For real.
From a fucking come up, bro. Shout out to boy Jack.
Cool. The car's pretty dirty. We'll probably go wash it after this. Dang, so on this side, there's actually a lot more light. But basically, we're gonna be doing the same thing on the right side. Just to take off the 3 clips again. The old one out. What do you think about them, bro?
They look clean as fuck.
You said with a car wash should look even better.
I kind of wish they were flat like the other ones.
They're like what? Flat? Oh, I know, dude. Like, weird, huh? Yeah, that's one thing about these clear ones. It has this like
I wonder if they blink
bulge right here.
They're just orange, bro.
Oh,
I thought that
they're still amber then.
Yeah, I thought they were gonna be clear.
Me too. They don't look bad though.
No, it doesn't look bad.
Especially at night. I thought they were gonna be. No.
It's pretty clean.
It's not bad. This is how they look during the daytime. But I'm moving my car because I'm blocking these garages right here. Alright, guys, so that's gonna basically be it of the install. But that was pretty simple, actually. I thought I was gonna have to lift it up, take off the wheel and stuff, but no, it's pretty simple. That's gonna be basically it for the install. I am gonna do one more thing to this car. They were saying that I guess like when you buy this car from the dealership, usually from factory, like the alarm isn't set. Like you have to arm the alarm. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I'll show you guys right now.
Tomorrow.
So yesterday before my camera died, I just wanted to try to set the alarm system on this car, because I guess like when you lock the car, it's actually like, it says that it's set and stuff, but like say like someone were to like break into your car, it's not gonna, the alarm system is not gonna go off. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and lock the car. I'm gonna put the keys you know, kind of far away so like the car doesn't detect them, whatever. Put them right there. So like say someone were to like break into the car, right? They break the window, they unlock the door, they open it, the alarm's not gonna go off. The alarm system is set, but like the alarm didn't go off. All right guys, so one thing that they were telling me that the instructions on activating the alarm system is actually going to be in the owner's manual as well, page 81. So what we're going to be doing is just you know, following these steps right here. If you did everything right to activate it, it should just honk once. It's kind of confusing, but you know, yeah, just page 81 in the owner's manual, activating, deactivating the alarm system. Ignition on, hold on lock button, open door, hold it for 10 seconds. There you go. Alright. So I don't know if you can see, it said like alarm on. It said like at the bottom left corner. Alright guys, we out here. We finally cleaned the RSX. The GR86. We're out here with my cousin Tony again.
What it do?
Dang bro, this thing's crazy. Even though the part is like so small, like it actually makes a difference. It makes this car look even nicer. I don't know. It kind of like matches with like the headlight, you know, with the white on white. So right now we're just gonna test out the alarm. Like I said, it wasn't working, and I did set it on already. You know, follow the steps to turn it on. Window down. We're gonna lock it, and then when I tell you to open the door, just reach in there, unlock it, and open it and see if the alarm goes off.
Basically, I gotta pretend I'm finessing you, huh?
Yeah, pretend you're finessing me, bro.
Too bad I don't got the black forces on.
Alright, I think I'm far enough. Go! Bro, this... Alright guys, it's working now.
You got all your shit, man. You got your social, your fucking...
Bro.
Your ID, your wallet, your kid's fucking social security card, bro.
Yeah guys, now it's working. Got the side markers on, car's clean, interior's clean, and yeah guys,
now we just gotta get some hose.
So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. We're gonna end it up right here. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the regular day vlogs. Normal day vlogs is what I'm labeling them. But yeah guys, it's gonna be in the video. If you guys like it, if you guys have any questions, please make sure to comment. All right guys, well, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.